Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of BypassGPT AI, a platform that's been gaining a ton of attention, especially from writers, students, bloggers, and even marketers who rely on AI-generated content. The big question is, can AI-generated content be made truly undetectable? Stick around as we explore what this tool does, who it's for, how effective it really is, and whether it's the most undetectable AI text generator out there. Let's get started. BypassGPT is an online tool that claims to do one thing and do it extremely well. Take AI-generated content and make it sound like it was written by a human. It's not just about rephrasing, it's about bypassing advanced AI detectors like GPT-0, Originality.ai, Turnitin, and even Google Spam's filters. So who is it for? Whether you're a student worried about AI flags on your paper, a blogger trying to rank without getting penalized by search engines, or a content marketer aiming to boost engagement, BypassGPT promises to humanize your AI-written content so well that it becomes virtually undetectable. Now that might sound too good to be true, especially with how rapidly AI detectors are improving. But BypassGPT says it's ahead of the game, using an advanced AI humanization model that is trained on over 200 million examples of AI versus human written content to identify and eliminate all these robotic patterns. Now let us talk about the main features of BypassGPT AI. First, 100% undetectable content. It aims to fool every major AI detector, claiming to deliver content with 100% human scores. Plagiarism-free. Not only is the output human-like, it's also unique. That means no duplicate content and no plagiarism concerns. Error-free rewriting. Grammar, punctuation, syntax, all cleaned up to a professional standard. SEO-friendly outputs. Bloggers and marketers take note. The rewritten content is keyword optimized to perform well in search engines. Bypasses spam filters. Emails and marketing content made by AI can often get flagged. BypassGPT helps you avoid that by making your text more natural and authentic. Multi-language supports. Over 50 languages are supported, so you're not limited to English. 3-step simplicity. It's quite simple. You paste the AI content, click the button, and boom, you get humanized content back in seconds. You might have noticed that I did that earlier in the video. There's also API integration, which makes it a scalable solution for businesses or agencies that need to automate large-scale humanization. Now let us talk about the pricing. The money aspect is important, don't you believe? They have a free trial, which is great for testing the waters, but after that you'd have to subscribe, and they come at a basic plan, as you can see on screen, an unlimited plan, which is recommended one because you save 40%, and the pro plan. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using BypassGPT AI. First, the pros. Highly effective at bypassing detection tools. SEO optimized and plagiarism free. Works across many use cases for students, bloggers, marketers, and lots more. Easy to use with fast processing, multilingual support, and API integration. And what about the cons? It still requires careful review. Sometimes tone or clarity may need adjustments. Effectiveness might vary depending on the AI detector in the question. Free version has limits, so heavy users will need to pay. Honestly, if you're relying heavily on AI-generated content, this tool could be a game changer, but it's not completely hands-off. So, here's the big question to consider. Is BypassGPT the most undetectable AI text generator? It certainly makes a compelling case. Between its massive training data sets, focus on avoiding detection, and ability to maintain originality, it's not just about fooling the system, but doing so in a way that adds value. That said, it's not magic. If you expect to push a button and get Pulitzer-worthy content, you will be disappointed. But if you're looking for a reliable tool to help you polish, tweak, and disguise AI content so that it feels natural and flies under radar, this might be your new best friend. But remember, using AI bypass tools comes with ethical considerations. If you're a student, make sure you're complying with your institution's policies. And if you're a content creator, transparency can still go a long way with your audience. That's it on the review of BypassGPT AI. I hope you found this helpful. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Undetectable.ai, Stealth Writer, and WriteSonic's Humanizer tool. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.